and the Valenzuela Chamber. And we've learned from him the importance of having camaraderie and teamwork, the importance of respecting fellow businessmen in our city. And nakakatuwa ko na ngayong gabi, times move, and we've seen that the legacy was continued by a second generation families to the Jerry. And we hope that the next generation, the third generation, will do the same to keep up the fire, to continue the legacy that has brought this organization where it is right now. Valenzuela City is home of 20,000 business establishments, factories, commercial establishments, warehouses, etc. And ang lifeline po ng aming mahal na lungsod ay ang ating mga negosyo. Kaya po, ako pong lubos na nagpapasalamat sa Valenzuela Chamber for the decades of strong partnership with the local government of Valenzuela. Wala po ang Valenzuela City kung wala po kayo mga negosyante, wala po ang Valenzuela City kung wala po ang mga industriya natin bumubuhay sa ating mahal na lungsod. Kami po ay maswerte na nagagawa po natin